Hey guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to lock your Facebook profile. So this is super easy. Go to your Facebook first. Log into your Facebook account. After logging to your Facebook account, just go click on top right corner your profile icon, this one, and click on your name, profile name. Now scroll down and you'll find here this one, three dot icon. Click on this. Now scroll down and you'll find here lock profile. Just click on lock profile and it will click to the final confirmation for what you're gonna lock or not. Just click on this lock your profile and your profile will be locked. So guys, this is how you can lock your profile in Facebook. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.